Hello, my lovely, beautiful Aquarius. Once again, I'm welcome you in my channel. This is Divine Born Angel, and this is your extended reading, which I promised you that I'm going to give you. Okay, so Aquarius, I am looking towards my deck. Okay, so you can have a look too. Okay, see. So I am looking towards it, and I am deciding that which I have to choose. Okay, so let's start. This is the general reading for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, then you can leave this reading, Aquarius, and apply it according to your situation and your gender, Aquarius. Okay, this is the general reading. Okay, if you like my video, you can like, share, and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section about in what manner I can help you out, and I will try my level best to get the best messages to be delivered to my beautiful Aquarius. So let's start. Okay, now I'm feeling light. I'm feeling energetic. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what messages do we have? Okay, you will getting appreciation for sure. Yeah, you are getting appreciation for sure. So right now you are feeling like broken heart, but let's see what more messages, because let me see what extended messages, what extra messages I can deliver you, Aquarius, to make you more, you know, magical again, to make you more happy again. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what messages do we have to deliver, do I have to deliver to my beautiful magical Aquarius all over the world. Let me see what messages do I have to deliver. Okay, so yes, journey is going to start, Aquarius, and again I'm getting appreciation, so I'm taking this card. So yes, you are going to start a new chapter in your life, Aquarius. Very soon you are starting a new journey in your life. Congratulations. Okay, and very all the best of luck for your new journey, for the new chapter in your life, Aquarius. Whatever the chapter, the new journey is, you know. Okay, but it is the new journey in your life. It's going to start. And again I'm getting this Magician. So this was in the main reading also. Okay, so you getting either you created it or your partner created it, but you created it, Aquarius. This is you want something new in your life, and you created it with the help of this Magician, and you will be getting, see, again I'm getting this. Okay, so you will be appreciated, Aquarius. Appreciation is coming towards you, and you deserve it, because you were working so hard, Aquarius. I know, dealing with such kind of, you know, toxic energies, it's very beautiful, Aquarius. Wow, see, so some deceit was there, that's why you are feeling heartbroken. Yeah, there was some, see how evil he is, basically how bad he is. Okay, deceit. Okay, so because of this deceit you were feeling heartbroken, Aquarius. So there was some deceit. Okay, but don't worry, Aquarius, they will get their own karma. Basically you are on a right path, basically. What more messages do you have for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius, which I need to deliver to all over the world? Please help me, guide God, spirits, angels, every single positive energy around me, to give the best messages to need to deliver. Some of you are choosing temple path. You are trying to meditate. Very good, Aquarius. If you have not started yet, you can start. Okay, you have to meditate. Okay, listen to music. This will help you out, Aquarius. Okay, and sun, see, wow, beautiful. Door to romance, new beginning, it's coming towards you. Wow, I love it. Wow, Aquarius, because you deserve it. You're rising as a star, I guess. This is my thing. This was the line, this was the message I was getting. Okay, right now, that you are rising as a star. Okay, again, you are new hopes, new desires in your lives. Something new is coming towards you. You have started some new journey is going to start in your life with this sun. It's new beginning in your life, new chapters, new beginning in career, new beginning in love, new beginning in whatever. Okay, something new is going to start, Aquarius. Wow. And door to romance, it's open now. Okay, you're ready for love, maybe. Blossoming abundance. See, you deserve it. I told you, you are having abundance of everything, Aquarius. You have already having it. Wow. Yeah, some of you are feeling anxiety right now. Okay, some of you Aquarius are feeling anxiety, but don't worry. Can you see these two cards? You will be appreciated. You will getting appreciation. Okay, you will be getting appreciation, Aquarius, very soon. See, community, it's walking towards you, with you. The angels, the spirits, the fairy, the god, the persons, the family, the loved ones, the near ones, the every positive energy around you, the community, they are working with you. They're working with you, Aquarius, to bring this. Okay. So there was some strategy I need to read out, and there were some hostilities. Okay, someone was very jealous with you, Aquarius. Then we have victory, and what else we have? See, caring connection. That was, you were requiring it. You want some love in your life, Aquarius, and you're getting it. Okay, and you're getting it. Okay. So maybe some indecision was there, but door to personal healing and happiness, it's opening. Maybe you need some more healing, Aquarius. You need some more healing, and you will do it. I know you will take care of yourself. You know how to take care of yourself, Aquarius. This is beautiful. So yes, you will be getting victory. This is beautiful, Aquarius. I'm proud of you again. Sending you lots of healing from my side, and you will be getting a victory because you were having every single, you're the innocent one. I'm getting one. You tried your level best. You tried it. You were trying so hard, Aquarius, and you deserve it. You deserve this victory. This is coming towards you. You want someone, some caring connection in your life. You are fighting for this stability, and you are getting it, Aquarius. You're getting new beginnings in your life. The sun is there, okay? So new beginning. Yeah, there was some deceit in the past. Okay, some deceit was there, which make you heartbroken, which made you broke this hard. But soon, you don't want this, okay? You don't want this. So, Aquarius, don't worry, you don't want this. That's why this is coming towards you. See what is coming towards you. You reject this. You reject this deceit and broken heart. I don't want this decision. I don't want this deceit. I don't want any heart. You say no to this. When you say no, when you say no to negative things, the positive arrives. And here it is. You choose your temple path. You choose to be calm, patient, taking your own time to decide to walk away from the situation, meditating, taking care of self, okay, self-love. You pull back your energy and you give that energy to those which were requiring that love, okay? And you choose this path. That's why you're getting this. Again, see, with this temple path, you're getting this sun. New beginning in your life. New beginning, it's coming towards you, and victory, it's coming towards you. You will be victory. You are the winner. You are the chariot, Aquarius. You know what is right, what is wrong, which is very good. You know the difference between black and white, and that's very good, Aquarius. And you were hoping for this caring connection. It's coming towards you. It's coming towards you. Have patience, Aquarius. Okay, so these were the beautiful messages which I was getting. Okay, for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from my energy oracle deck. And go to personal healing and happiness. It's opening. Maybe you heal yourself, Aquarius, and see how beautiful it is. It's so colorful. Wow. Or some of you are okay, Aquarius, some of you will be requiring healing. Okay, so if you have not healed yourself yet, heal yourself. You are requiring healing, and see, but it's opening already. The door to happiness and deep healing, it's opening for you. Very beautiful. Some of you are in crossroads in decision. Either you or your partner, they are not able to make a decision, but now they have to make a decision. Okay, so these were the beautiful messages which I was having for my lovely beautiful Aquarius, okay, all over the world. I hope these messages help you out in some manner. Okay, let me see what more messages do we have. And this was very deep. Okay, this drain out my energy basically. Okay, so let's see. But this light, this energy oracle deck, this makes me feel very light. This speaks to me. And this deck, thank you so much, energy oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages for all over the world. Okay, for all over the Aquarius. And see what I'm having, new beginnings again. Okay, Aquarius, and this is also very beautiful deck. This is Mystic Wisdom deck, and this is very beautiful again. I love my decks. Okay. Okay, so let's see what messages do you have for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me know the beautiful messages. Okay, take a leap of faith, face your fears at bottom of the deck. Okay, so first message, Aquarius, is take a leap of faith. Trust yourself, Aquarius. Whatever decision you have taken it, trust yourself at least. Okay, don't trust anyone, but trust yourself. Take a leap of faith and trust the universe too. The God has sent something in your life, okay, and there is a reason. Okay, take a leap of faith on it. You have to take a leap of faith. Trust it. Okay. Wow. Express your sensuality. Okay, Aquarius. Wow, beautiful. Express your sensuality. You have to express your sensuality. Wow. What else we have? What more messages do we have to deliver to my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? Please help me, guide God, spirits, angels, every single positive energy around me to help me deliver the best messages I need to deliver to all over the world. Okay. Illusion, and see this fallout. Archangel Raphael, provider of healing for mind, body and spirits. Angels are working with you, Aquarius. You will receive a healing for sure. Okay, I know you are requiring healing right now because you are heartbroken, you are hurt right now. And provider of healing for mind, body and spirit, Archangel Raphael, is there, sending you lots of healing, my lovely Aquarius. Embrace the truth and see how beautiful this girl is. Embrace the truth. Yes, you are getting enlightenment. You are pursuing your spiritual growth. Use your creativity. Wow, this is so beautiful and colorful. You are getting awakened, Aquarius. You are getting into your light. Basically, you are embarrassing the truth. You are you are providing healing for your mind, body, spirit. You are expressing other people that yes, this is the this is not right for me, this is right for me, this is how I'm sensitive. You are expressing your feelings, your sensuality, and you are taking a leap of faith. Okay, that's why you are trusting the universe. You are trusting yourself. You are already trusting yourself. That's why you are pursuing spiritual growth, enlightenment. You are getting into your light, and this is beautiful. Wow. Use your creativity. If you have not, we Aquarius are very creative. Aquarius, start digging yourself. Okay, you have lots of creativity. You have lots of things which you can do in your day-to-day life. You can heal yourself. See, right? Thank you so much, gods, for giving this intuition. Use your creativity if you have not yet. Seek knowledge. You can read books. You can start something, you can take admission into course. Use your creativity and passion together. Whatever you love to do, whatever makes you feel happy, do that, Aquarius. Beautiful. So these were the messages I was having for you. Let me see any other messages I'm having. Okay. So many messages, but these two. Okay. Learn from those who inspire you, Aquarius, in your life. Legends. There must be person in your life who inspires you. See, I was also doing this in my life. So I took examples of those who inspires me. Like I took my father, he's my legend. So I took my father experience to learn from it, because every time a legend tells us how to deal with a situation which is not easy, okay, with how to deal with difficult situations in your life. They will teach you, legends. Okay, learn from those who inspires you. And yes, you are having some dreams, Aquarius. Believe in your dreams. Okay, believe it. You are the intuitive person, Aquarius. You get dreams, you believe it, and find a way to abundance, money. Yes, some of you have to focus on your money right now, or you are focusing on your money. Okay, find a way to abundance. You already abundant, Aquarius. You already abundant in money, abundant in love. But let me give you a deeper meaning of this card by reading this. Find a way to abundance. Don't worry, Aquarius. You will find a solution to gain the money you require. Maybe some of you are having stress about money. Maybe some of you are dealing with financial situations, okay, financial constraints in your life. Maybe you're not having enough money to live your life, but don't worry, you will find a way to abundance. You know how to create money. You are already abundant, Aquarius. Don't worry about it. You will find a solution to gain the money you require. You may have suffered a misfortune such as unemployment or encountered financial difficulties. Know that there are always people around to help you, Aquarius. You are not alone. You are a star seed, basically. Some of you are watching our star seeds. We are the person. Aquarius are already a star in tarot, okay? So we are already a star. If you have not star seed, then you are already a star. Star is new hopes and new desires, okay, Aquarius? Star shines. So you always shines, okay? Whether there is clouds, you will cut that clouds, okay? You will cut that darkness, you will cut that, okay, dark phase of your life, and you will come into light, in your light, okay, Aquarius? Find your internal fortitude and guiding light to persuade in gaining back what you have lost. See, this is what I was telling you. Do the best you can with what you have, and if you need help, ask for it. Things will be better, Aquarius. I'm telling you one solution, that if you are seeking help, then you can ask help, okay, to your family, to your friends, and use your creativity again and again. So these were the messages, and today's mantra is, I have faith that a solution is possible. Nothing is impossible, Aquarius. Impossible is I am possible, okay? So you can get out of this dark energy for sure, okay, Aquarius? Have faith. Have faith, because use your creativity and hope, because Archangel Gabriel is there. He's telling you that you are a creative person, born with extraordinary, unique person. You are the star, Aquarius. Focus on yourself. You have so much to do with your life. There's so much, self-love is indicated again and again, okay? And believe in your dreams. You must be having some dreams. Follow your dreams. Believe in your dreams. And you don't worry, Aquarius. You will find a solution regarding your money, because you are already abundant in money. This card is there. Learn from those who is, and see what I'm next having. Follow your intuitions. Very beautiful. That's what I was telling you. You are rising as high priestess. Also in the main reading there was a high priestess. So high priestess is all about intuitions, okay? And Aquarius, you are already high priestess in real life too. You go through your life through your heart. You follow your heart basically, okay? You follow your intuitions. So that's what you have to follow right now. You have to follow your intuition, okay? Owl, it's there. That may be animal spirit for some of the Aquarius, some of you maybe, okay? And follow the legends, okay? Those who inspire you. Very beautiful too. Positive messages from the universe, and this will help you out very beautifully, Aquarius. I love your reading always. That's why. Rise above tribulations, resilience. I think enough of the messages. Because I'm having very beautiful messages for you. Originality, yes. Come to your originality. What are you? You are a star, Aquarius. Remember always, whenever you are feeling very dark, you are not finding any solutions to any problem, keep 2 minutes silence and tell yourself about yourself, Aquarius, that you are originally a star. And a star means new hopes and new desires. And see, good fortune, it's coming towards you. See how colorful these two cards are there. Enlightenment and good fortune. So many colors in there are present in your life already, or it's going to be happen in your life very soon. In white magic, in good fortune, it's coming towards you. Go for it. Next opportunity knocks. Some of you getting offers from the universe, from the persons around you, from your love. Opportunity is coming towards you. Go for it, Aquarius. It's the good fortune from the universe. It's a gift. It's a gift I'm getting. It's a gift from the universe for your good karmas. Very nice. Proud of you. So these were the beautiful, beautiful messages which I got through this mystic deck to be delivered to you, Aquarius. So follow your intuitions, and again I'm telling you, follow your intuitions, okay, Aquarius? I know you are going through a phase, but you will get out from that phase, because you are the star. You are my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. You are the stars. And thank you so much, mystic deck, for giving these beautiful messages. Embrace the truth, okay? You are beautiful. See yourself into mirror, Aquarius. You deserve love. Yes, you are the love, Aquarius. Already I'm telling you, you deserve it. You already having abundance of everything. So let's see, what messages do you have from this messages from the universe? Okay, so see, I will give you extra dose today, I know. Because it is required. Everyone has a value, Aquarius, and you too has a value. You are valuable, okay? You are unique, okay? And universe knows this, okay? No one knows this, but universe, God, they know this. Okay, so let's see. And this is also very beautiful deck. So let's see, what messages do we have from the universe? Calm is not a weakness. See, everyone has a value again. So yes, you are keeping your patience, you are calming yourself, you're making yourself calm, and that's not a weakness. So I will tell you a story here, Aquarius, through this, and I will love to share it because it will help you out. You are never alone. You're never alone, Aquarius. You're never alone. Universe is there, God is there to help you out. Express your feelings. If okay, right now I'm expressing my feelings. So I will tell you a story that when I was when I was a child, I participated in a debate competition in my school, and the topic was to stay calm or to say words, okay? And it set your intentions, okay? Release toxic relationships. That's very important. Again, I'm getting it. So yes, sometimes we keep calm, and that's not weakness, okay? That's very powerful thing. Powerful people do calm, okay? They calm themselves, they keep that calm. 1 minute, I have to take out that card. Let me pause it. So Aquarius, you were keeping calm. Calm is not a weakness. Means that doesn't mean that you are a weak person. Keeping calm, the person who keeps calm, that doesn't mean that he's a weak person. Okay, he or she, they are very strong persons who keep this. Okay, and you know it. You are right now keeping your calm because this is very beautiful message. Release your toxic relationships which is not serving you, Aquarius. Release it. This is very bad energy, devil energy, I'm getting it. So release that toxic relationships or toxic patterns, toxic cycles which were you going through again and again and again and again. You deserve happiness. You deserve someone who deal you handle with care, I'm getting. Okay, deal you with care, basically with love, because you put your 100% in a relationship. I know it. You, when Aquarius put something into any of the relation, it doesn't matter with the love. If they put something in a relationship, they put 100%. Okay, and release it. Now it's the time to release toxic relationships. They don't deserve you. They don't deserve you. See, this is again an intuitions. Yes, they don't deserve, my lovely Aquarius. Be yourself. Be yourself. Do whatever you want to do, Aquarius. You are free. You are single. Single days are back. Okay. So do whatever makes you feel happy. If you want to do, if you want to use your creativity, if you wish to sing, you can sing. Abundance is your right. See. And you are here for a reason. Yes, you are here for a reason. You are having your own soul's journey. Okay, Aquarius, follow your soul's journey. Basically, you are here for a reason. See, I can tell you, like, stay open-minded, and you are here for a reason. For sure. Ask your soul, what is the reason? Okay, some of you Aquarius are healers, basically. Heal people, basically. You want to make people laugh again, happy again. You are the medicine who, who make the wounds gone, basically. Okay, the pain you create. You are the healer, basically. You heal the wounds. You heal the wounds, Aquarius. You are made for healing. Okay, that you can ask yourself, what is your soul purpose, Aquarius? But you are here for a reason. For sure, you are a star. Okay, abundance is your right, and this is your right. No one can take it from you. Be yourself. Be yourself. Release toxic relationships which are draining you, draining your energy. Okay, you can apply it. If you are feeling drained out with a person, release it. Release all negative relationships and situations from your life. You don't deserve it. You're keeping calm, and that's not a weakness. Calmness, keeping calm is not a weakness. Okay, people sometimes misunderstood this, that yes, this person is keeping calm, that means he's a weak person. No, they are keeping calm because they are very strong person. They're the loyal ones. Very good. I love it. Let's see what else we have. Any more messages which needs to be delivered to my lovely beautiful Aquarius all over the world. Please guide God, spirits, angels, every positive energy around me. Please help me out to give the best messages I need to deliver. Okay. Stay open-minded. It comes again. It flip out again. Stay open-minded and let go of ego. If you're having some ego, if you're feeling that you are having some ego, then let go of it. Let go of ego. Again, set up intentions again. What intentions you are having, Aquarius? Let go of ego. accept struggles as lessons. Yes, that's why I was telling you that you are going through a cycle, a karmic cycle, which you are completing right now. Okay, but that was very painful, that was very hurtful, because it was third party situation involved, and that make you break enough that you already told universe, a person, a situation, that this is enough of it and I'm not going to bear it. You just cut off, like you were behaving like a queen of swords. Okay, king of swords or queen of swords. Okay, you can take gender as per your situation. Okay, but you accept struggles as lessons. That's the best part, beautiful part of your character, Aquarius. You don't take struggles as your, that but you always learn. Okay, you always learn. So learn from those struggles, Aquarius. Feel joy in all you do, and kindness count. When you are kind, universe counts that too, Aquarius. So be you, live your bliss, live your bliss. Bliss is coming to you, are blissful person. Okay, abundance is your right. Live your bliss, Aquarius. Universe is telling you. Okay, inspire others. Yes, right now I'm inspiring you too, because I'm too Aquarius. Okay, and express your feelings. See, again and again you have to express yourself. Maybe you're not expressing yourself. Okay, so you have to inspire others, Aquarius. You are here for a reason, for sure. I'm telling you again and again, calmness is not a weakness. Release all toxic relationships in your life. Be yourself, Aquarius. Be yourself, because abundance is your right. It is your right, and you are here for a reason. Okay, ask your soul, what's your soul journey, what's your reason to be here on this planet, on this universe, and you will find a solid reason for sure. You are having answers in your soul. Talk to your soul, talk to your soul. While you can talk to your soul in a mirror, I don't know how. You can talk to yourself basically. Okay, ask yourself, what is your soul journey. Stay open-minded, Aquarius. Stay open-minded. And if you are having ego, let go of your ego, because this is coming. So maybe you are dealing with your ego, but let go of your ego. And this is what I have done today. So I'm getting all my all my basically brothers and sisters again into union. After so many years, we are coming back together. So I talked to my elder brother today. I messaged him today about reconciliation, like reconciliation of our brothers and sisters together. We are 6 brothers and sisters. So yes, I let go of my ego, and I said, yes, I'm a smaller sister, so I should approach my brother and tell him that let's reconciliate again, let's talk again, let's start this relationships of brother sisters again, let's live our childhood again, let go of ego. Yes, I did it. And set your intentions, what you want from relationships, what you want from this situation, what you want from your life. You have to set it and accept your struggles as lessons. Yes, struggles always make you understand, make you learn something very beautiful, Aquarius. After every struggle, you become more strong and independent. You learn a very beautiful thing in your life, and you feel joy in all you do. If you're not feeling it, you will feel it, Aquarius. Kindness count, and that's what I was telling you. You are very kindful. Aquarius are born humanitarian. We Aquarius are very kind nature, very helpful. Aquarius loves to help people, loves to help needy people, loves to do, love. They are very kindful people, and kindness counts. Universe counts that thing. When you do something, for others, help others, love, universe is counting that thing. You must be not knowing it, but universe is, and they will come give that kindness back in your life as bliss. Live your bliss, because you earned it. You give it and you earned it. Very beautiful. Inspire others, Aquarius. You are here for a reason. Inspire others. Express your feelings. Get out of the box. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, universe. Messages from the guides to give the beautiful message. Express your feelings, Aquarius. You are not bound to anyone. Okay, get out of the box. That was the title I was getting. Get out of the box. You don't deserve to be here. okay, to be in a box. You are here for a purpose. Know your soul purpose. Why are you here on this earth? See, again I'm getting that. Thank you so much. Yes, you are here for a purpose, Aquarius. Know your path. Know your path. Embrace your truth. Wow, who are you as a human? Okay, Aquarius, you must, as a soul, not a human, as a soul. So let's see what more messages. Okay, it's already popping out. Okay, and what? Wait for the winter. Wait for the winter and new beginnings, Aquarius. Wow, this was the first. And I'm getting new beginning. Ask for help. Yes, if you're requiring help, ask for help if you are requiring it. New beginnings, Aquarius. This fairy godmother. Okay, let me adjust my camera a little bit so that you can read it out. Okay, new beginning. So this is coming to your life, Aquarius. This fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby, a birth, or a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would be a baby. Okay, Aquarius, right now you are awakening. So new beginnings in your life, new beginnings is there in every deck. So something new is coming towards you, Aquarius. New journey of your life, new chapter of your life. See, so it's coming towards you. Protect yourself, Aquarius, and wait for the winter. See, wow, transformation. I'm not going to take these cards. Let's see again. Okay, so wait for the winter. During the colder months, the wind and Aquarius are born in winter too. So we are the cold persons, okay? We are made for winters, okay, Aquarius? During the color months, the fairy queen of winters will help you manifest the most heartful wishes as long as your intentions are the highest good for all. So you have to wait for the winter, Aquarius. Wait for your season. Winter season is made for Aquarius. Colorful season. Okay, let's see what else we have from this very beautiful deck. What beautiful messages do you want to deliver to all over the world? Okay, healing. Now is the time to heal. Yes, you are getting affected by the moon energy because the moon is in Aquarius. Yeah, so healing is required right now, Aquarius. Heal yourself, Aquarius. Healing is required. Now is the time for you to give and receive healing. Everyone has a natural ability to heal others. Yes, even you too have. So heal yourself. Healing is required. Surrender to the natural ebb and flow of your life. If you are feeling confused, the fairy comes to calm emotions and reassure you that the peace of mind is possible. Okay, Aquarius? Some drastic shift changes is going to happen in your life. The moon energy, this fairy comes in your life to calm your emotions. Okay, Aquarius? Music. Some of you are connected to music, or you can listen to music, Aquarius. This will help you out to release all that toxic, okay, toxic relationship or toxic situation, toxicity, the negative thoughts. This will heal you basically. Okay, music will heal you. It will help you out to heal. Okay, because you are requiring healing right now. So listen carefully for there may be a message in the music you hear. Okay, yes, I was listening music too yesterday and I was receiving so many messages in it. So listen to the message which you will get in your music. Okay, Aquarius? Maybe universe is trying to give you some music. Just play a random playlist on YouTube basically, okay, and play an autoplay and you will get your messages, Aquarius, for sure. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories and charm fairies to your door. And next, see what I'm having. Abundance. See, I'm telling you, Aquarius, this is you. Abundance of love, abundance of happiness, abundance of success, abundance of money. You name it and you got it. Abundance. You already are having abundant of everything in your life, Aquarius. You just need right now healing, because whatever is happened in your life, I know that took up your life, that create a tower moment in your life. But you will be out from this. Don't worry, it will take time, but you will be out of it because you are already having abundance. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks you may have in fairyland and human land. There is enough abundance for everyone, Aquarius. Abundance. Next card. Ask for help. Yes, if you think that you are requiring help from your friends, from your family, from your loved ones, from your near and from dears, ask for help. There is no shame in taking help, Aquarius. Okay, angels are, and ask for help from your ancestors, angels, gods, universe. Okay, you can ask help from them also. They are there. The angels are surrounding you to help you out, to get you out from this dark phase of your life, to get into light. Basically, they are there to help you. You just need to ask the universe that you are requiring help. So open your arms and ask the universe to get you help, Aquarius. Angels are celestial beings who protect everyone, and the fairies is now. Say now is the time for you to ask for angelic assistance. Angel is there. Wow. Divination. Beautiful card. Some of you are already a tarot reader already. Some of you are practice spiritual awakening. Some of you are dealing with this divination. You already divine female or masculine. You already divinely guided, Aquarius. Already you are a star seed. You already divinely guided person, a human. Okay, so you have to just embrace your power of divination, which are especially strong right now. You have the ability to see your current situation with a crystal clear clarity. Okay, see, I'm telling you through this tarot cards. Can you see a woman who is holding his hands and doing some rituals, purifications through this fire, and she is reading the tarot. Okay, so I can give you, that means you having the power of this right now. Okay, you are having answers, crystal clear answers. Okay, and I'm telling you crystal clear answers. New beginning is there, Aquarius, for sure. You have to wait for winter. You are requiring healing. Oh fuck, wait. Okay, so yes, Aquarius, new beginning is there for you for sure. You just have to wait for winter, Aquarius. Okay, right now you are requiring healing, so heal yourself, Aquarius, with lots of music. You can listen music. Okay, because some messages you will receive through music. Okay, there are messages which universe wants to give you, and you will get through your music. So listen to the music, and music also heals you. Okay, Aquarius, music also helps to heal you, so this will helps to heal you. Abundance is coming towards you, already abundant. See how beautiful pinky, I love this card. Okay, so you already are having abundance of everything. Okay, abundance of love, abundance of happiness, abundance of success, abundance of everything in your life, Aquarius. You just need to ask for help, because you are guided by the God. So you already got, you are already having angels surround. You're surrounded by angels. They are there to help you. Okay, you can ask help from your parents, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your family, your friends, your near, your dear, everyone. Okay, anyone surrounding you, you can ask help from them. Yes, moon energy is affecting you. Okay, wait, it fell out again. So right now moon energy card I got, and this is like surrender to yourself. Okay, to the natural ebb and flow of life. If you're feeling confused, you will get crystal clarity, Aquarius. You will get with the time. Divination, embrace your powers of divination, Aquarius. Okay, you have the power. Listen to your intuition. You're the high priestess. Okay, you have the ability to see your situation through the crystal clear clarity. Okay, so I'm telling you, you just have to protect your dreams, Aquarius. Okay, protecting your dreams will help you out very wow. And let me adjust my camera. You are the guardian of your protective dreams, and they are safe in your care. Okay, keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. So don't share your dreams, protect your dreams. I know, Aquarius, being an intuitive person, you get your intuitions, you get your gut feelings, you get your dreams. So you don't need to share with anyone. You have to protect your dreams. Flourish yourself. Flourish yourself. Oh, wow. See what else I'm having. Wow, enough. So Aquarius, I'm having a good news for you, and this is very beautiful. I love these two. You will be shining within yourself. You are going to start a new journey very soon. And see, when once you heal yourself, something very beautiful it's coming towards you, Aquarius. Flourish yourself. Flourish yourself. The lotus flower fairy tells you to learn from experience and shed your inner light on any unclear areas of your life or those of others. Okay, so flourish yourself, Aquarius. Take care of yourself. Okay, see how beautiful you are. Listen, see yourself into mirror and flourish yourself, Aquarius. See, protect your. And next card I was having celebration. Tantana. Okay, so get ready to let your hair down and celebrate. It's time to go out to dance and play. An invitation could be on the way. So something you are going to celebrate with your soulmate, Aquarius. And can you see this is man holding hands? This is the wow beautiful card I got for you. I told you the energy was very deep. Okay, today it was like a pain in my heart. I am still feeling it, but it is light now. Okay, and now you're going to start a new journey in your life. See, beautiful wings with rainbow wings. Wow, beautiful card, Aquarius. And I'm getting journey in each deck for you. So something new journey is going to start in your life. New chapter of your life is started. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be appropriate or unplanned or planned. Either way, make sure you are ready when times come. Pack your passports now. Maybe you are traveling, Aquarius. Journey is indicated. Either you are going to visit some place, okay, or do journey, because pack your passports now. So maybe you are take care because COVID-19 is going around the world. So okay, protect yourself also. Okay, take safety measures. Okay, wear your mask, wear your gloves. If you are traveling, if you are journeying, if you are having a journey, okay, in your life, and if it is you are not traveling, then this is the new chapter of your life. Okay, Aquarius, beautiful messages. Shine from within. You have to heal your inner child also. If you like, looks are only skin deep. True beauty shines from within. It's time for you to shine. It's time for you to self-acceptance and reliving your true beauty. Aquarius, self-love is indicated in every deck. You need to self-love. Okay, once you start loving yourself, and you are pushing that toxic relationships away, and you are telling clearly in a universe that I don't accept this, I want abundance of everything, I want caring connections, and then you start getting it. And these are very beautiful messages which I got from Oracle of Fairies. And thank you so much, Fairies, for beautiful messages. I need to get delivered for all over the world. And I see surrender negative thinking if you are having it, Aquarius. So let's see. This is also a very beautiful deck. I love this deck because in life sometimes we need to surrender. Sometimes, always we need to surrender something to achieve it. Okay. So let's see what we need to surrender. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see what my beautiful lovely, and this is so beautiful, see. So let's see what beautiful messages we have, what we need to surrender in our life. What messages do you want to give to all beautiful lovely Aquarius? Okay. So surrender to miracles is the bottom of the deck. I have surrender to what if. Stop thinking what is. Surrender to non-action. Maybe some of you are not taking any action. I know your situation. Take your time, Aquarius. Take time, heal yourself first because you matter, Aquarius. Okay? So take time, self-love. Okay, so let's read it out. Flow with what is instead of fighting it. When you can't change a situation, compassionately accepting it exactly as it will bring you peace. Okay, and this is surrender to non-action. Now it's the time to sit, to still and not act. Simply breathe and focus on your own power. Let others come to you. Yes, don't take any action. Okay, sorry for reading, understanding in the I understand the meaning differently. Okay, the card means you don't have to take any surrender. Yes, I was getting again have patience, temperance card, patience card. You don't have to do anything. You're already working so hard, Aquarius. You have already done your part. You have already taken actions on your end. You already say No to toxic relationships, you have already done your part. Now you have to wait. Okay, Aquarius, you have to wait. Now is the time to be still, not act. Simply breathe and focus your own power. Okay, Aquarius, let others come to you. Simple. Surrender to setting limits. This is the message for you, Aquarius, and this says it is healthy to set boundaries in relationship. Practice expressing your needs and remember that no is a complete sentence. Okay, you have to set limits in your boundaries in your relationship. So it's okay to set up boundaries, Aquarius. You also deserve, surrender unhealthy relationships, toxic relationships. Surrender to complete healing. Wow, and I got it. 5 messages for you. Surrender to creativity. These all messages belongs to you, and I'm getting the same messages in every deck, Aquarius. You right now, you needing healing. Surrender to it. Okay, you need complete healing. And how will you heal, Aquarius? Use your creativity. Surrender to creativity. Let your imagination soar and stay open to all creative ideas about how to pursue a dream and solve a problem. Use your creativity. Surrender your complete healing, Aquarius. Open fully to loving, compassionate forces of the universe that support your physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. Surrender unhealthy relationships. Surrender toxic relationships which are draining your energy, which is draining you, basically, Aquarius. They don't deserve you. You deserve happiness. You deserve love. You don't deserve toxicity in your life. You don't deserve fights, arguments, cheating, lying, deceiving. You don't deserve it. You are a humanitarian. You are beautiful, wonderful, unique person. Okay, and you deserve love and happiness. Okay, let go of relationships that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people. You deserve to be treasured by others and to be surrounded by positive people. So surround yourself with positive people, Aquarius. Surrender to creativity. And I was getting this also. Surrender to prayer. Maybe this is a time you need. Give yourself over completely to prayer. When you pray from your heart, you will always hear throughout the universe, and answers and support will arrive. Okay, so prayer is very important right now, Aquarius. Pray as much as, ask for universe, ask to God what you want, manifest yourself. Surrender to rest and rejuvenate. See, right now you have to take rest, you have to pray, you have to heal yourself, Aquarius. Okay, surrender your creativity. Okay, surrender to creativity, Aquarius. Okay, use your creativity, basically. Use your creativity, Aquarius. Okay, surrender unhealthy relationships. Take proper rest and sleep. To prevent burnout, slow down. Honor your need for quiet time and peaceful sleep to rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Right now, it is very important for you to sleep and take rest, Aquarius. Okay, let's see what else we have. Surrender to passion. See, know your passion, Aquarius, and surrender to it. You must be knowing what is your passion, and this is very beautiful card. Now I'm feeling very good, Aquarius. I'm feeling like I have to cry because I am now feeling like, yes, I'm doing right in my life. Okay, and you will also feel like this. Okay, don't worry about it. Surrender to passion. Wow. Get out of your head and feel fire in your belly. Focus on your people and activities that ignite your passion, and please make it flow. Okay, do whatever makes you feel happy, Aquarius. Don't be in a box. Get out of the box. Surrender your fear of intimacy. You are ready to love in compassionately. Identify and begin your release any pattern that stops you from opening your heart. Okay, maybe some of you are having a fear of intimacy because I know you are quite single for long time period right now. Okay, some of you are single from last 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 6 months. Okay, so Aquarius are singles from long time period. I know it. So yeah, you may be feeling fear of intimacy because you are not actively intimate but you are ready to love in Aquarius. You are ready right now. Compassionately identify and begin to release any patterns that stops you opening your heart. Open your heart, Aquarius. Okay, surrender to success, and that was the last message from this deck. Okay, surrender spirit. It's like I'm getting this vibes that I need to talk to you because lots of you Aquarius are right now needing help. So I know, Aquarius, that's why I'm sending you lots of love, happiness, okay, a healing, light to all beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. And I'm sending all the best messages which I'm getting right now to be delivered to you. I know you reading is like you need right now. It's like you need these messages right now, and I'm sending you. Okay, so right now you don't have to do anything, Aquarius. That's most important. You have done your part, and let the right person choose you, basically. Okay, have patience. Okay, Aquarius, trust yourself, trust the universe. Okay, surrender unhealthy relationships which are toxic, which doesn't serve you anymore. And you are requiring healing right now. So complete healing. You have to heal yourself completely. And how will you heal, Aquarius? You can use your creativity. You can use your passion to heal yourself, Aquarius. You can use these two. Okay, and what else? And see, they are telling you what you can do. Surrender to creativity. Surrender to prayer. Okay, Aquarius. Surrender to rest and sleep. This is the third thing you can do, and this is the fourth thing. Surrender to passion. Okay, these four messages are these are the things which you can do for this complete healing. Oh wait, it fall out. Okay, you right now you need a complete healing, and you will be doing this complete healing by using your creativity. Okay, Aquarius, by surrendering your prayer, by doing lots of prayer. Okay, by taking rest, taking proper sleep, and taking care of yourself and your body, mind, spirit, every soul. Okay, so next is surrender to your passion. So you are doing to do this. You can use your passion too. Okay, so beautiful messages, Aquarius. You are ready to experience abundance. Don't look back at previous roadblocks or difficulties. Leap into exciting new world of possibilities, Aquarius. Yes, you're coming out of this dark, and you are seeing, can you see a light, a beautiful environment? It's ready for you, Aquarius. Success is coming towards you. You're getting out of this box. Okay, you will get out of this box. You will done with this dark phase of your life. You are done. Take a stand for yourself, Aquarius, if you have not taken yet. But I know you have already done your part. You have already taken your steps to protect your energy, to protect you, and that's very bravery thing you have done, Aquarius. I'm really proud of you, and really proud of you. Very good, Aquarius. I'm so proud of you right now. So any other messages I'm feeling like I have to give you? I'm looking at my cards and at my deck. I found this. This is light oracle cards. Okay, and these are very beautiful cards. Again, this will give you light, because right now you are requiring light in you are the oracle, Aquarius. So you are requiring light in your life. So let's see what light oracle messages are there for my beautiful Aquarius. You already doing it. Stop overthinking. Keep facing your north. This is the first message. I'm telling you, you are on a right path, Aquarius. Okay, so you are ready to doing it. You are ready. Whatever it's happening in your life, you are already ready for it. So stop overthinking and keep facing your true north, Aquarius. See, this girl, it's moving towards light, coming from the dark. There is a dark here, and she is coming into light. So you're moving towards light. That's what I was telling you. So let's see what more messages we have for our beautiful, lovely Aquarius from this light oracle deck. Please help me out to give the best messages to be delivered from all over the world, to help out the best messages. Okay, and I got too many messages. Bottom of the deck is transformation, Aquarius. Wow, beautiful. You are getting transformed. Things are changing at a cellular level, deep healing. Yes, you are getting deep. You are requiring healing right now, Aquarius. Again and again, I'm telling you, you're getting transformed. Okay, that's why. Dance with the life. Maybe some of you are already, you love dance, you love to do dance, and that's beautiful message I got. Okay, so let's see, because these were also messages. So let's see, this was like this. Let me arrange these messages. Okay, let me get all the messages. I can trust the niggle. Okay, share your voice, come out of the cave, perception and expression. I'm telling you, get out of the box. Okay, see, right now you are sitting here in a dark box. Get out of the box and come into the light. Come in the light and share your experience. Share your voice. You can share it. There is no one can put you in a box, Aquarius. And if someone is trying to, you know what you can, you know where is light, basically. See, because you are coming out of it. You are moving from dark place to a light place. You are going it. You are already doing it, Aquarius. Stop overthinking it. Okay, share your voice. Trust your niggle. Okay, what are you clinging to? The crumbling. Are you clinging to onto something? Okay, you have to ask yourself, Aquarius. You know your story. Okay, or next message is Council of Light, Divine Orchestral, help us in the subtle ride. Yes, see, every god is there to help you out. You, beautiful messages I'm getting. I need to read it out for you. Mind taken, longing for home, belonging, the original light workers. Maybe some of you are light workers. I'm telling you, you are the star seed light workers. Okay, maybe some of you are longing for home. You want to go for home. Okay, maybe let me see the explanation, the deeper meaning of these cards. Next message I'm having, the great gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. Wow, and that's what I did in the morning. Wow, I call my brothers, sisters, and we are getting reconciled. Like, we are meeting again, all brothers and sisters, and we are getting into union again. So yes, it's all coming together, Aquarius. Your soul tribe, intuitive hits. Use your intuitions. The great gathering, it's coming towards you, and you're getting transformed. Dance with life. Okay, see how bright light it's coming towards you. Light is coming towards you. Now you are transforming. Wow. Dance with life. Do something to change your energy. If you love to dance, you can dance. If you love to see movies, you can see movies. If you love to listen music, listen music. If you love to talk. Do whatever you want to do, Aquarius. What makes you happy, do it. Beautiful. Let me read out this message for you, Aquarius. I need more clarity with this card. Let's see what is the meaning of crumbling. Okay, there is a shift happening right now where anything inauthentic can no longer survive. Relationships, jobs. Wait, I'm getting message. Sorry for the intervention, for the stoppage. Okay, so let me start again. Relationships, jobs, social structures, anything built on shaky ground is destined to tumble down. It's happening to bring you back home to who you truly are, both individually and to society as a whole, so you can live a life that is in alignment with who you truly are. When you are in the thick of it, it can feel like a personal attack from the universe. Have faith, because the difficult times will be defining moments. You will be reborn in the fire. You are being called to surrender, to stop trying to hold it all together, to loosen your grip, to let your stumbling occur together. It may be difficult at first, but in the end, the sooner you let go, the sooner the rebirthing will occur. What you are trying to hold together, what are you doing your best to avoid? How are you trying to pretend everything is okay? You have what it takes to allow what is falling away to tumble and fall. Once your tower has crumbled, you will be able to rebuild your home on solid ground with mighty foundations and have a view that is so magnificent that it will take your breath away each moon. Kali, the goddess of destruction, and the Black Madonna are with you now. Let all their altar, they can hold it on. What are you clinging to for fear of nothing comes to take its place? That's a light inquiry. So something you it's coming to this is the tower card basically. So tower movement is going to happen in your life, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, and it can you see that this is the dark and this is opening, this is a gate, there is a light from the, because this is divinely guided, the divine intervention is happening. Okay, so divine has interpreted this situation, they are giving this light from, and see, can you see this opening, and there is beautiful view here. So something beautiful which was hidden behind the doors, it's now going to open once you are into this light. And I can see clearly in many, can you see many cards that you are coming from dark to light, dark to light, dark to light. See, I can tell you, see, there is a dark, but you have created yourself, Aquarius. Well done. I'm proud of you that you coming from the dark to light, and you decided it that I don't want this dark energy, dark light. Okay, I want some light in my life, and you move away. You walk away, you left out the situations. Okay, see, and this picture also shows a darker face, dark light. The girl is sitting in the dark and looking towards light, because you want light in your life, you want stability, you want light in your life. So yes, you were hoping for this, and this is coming. See this tower movement happening, and see what beautiful it's coming towards you, Aquarius. Wow, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Well, next, what is this Council of Light? Let me help you out with this too. Council of Light. So the council of light, this is so much beautiful card. See, can you see how lights are vibrating right now in this light? Oh wow. Council of Light is a team of beloved beings who are here to assist the raising of consciousness of the planet. They are here to help you achieve your soul missions and are guiding you every step of the way. However, because we live in a world where free will resides, they cannot help you without your permission. If you like their assistance, it is the time to ask them. They can help with all kinds of requests. Nothing is too big or too small. Think of them as your personal team of helpers in the spirit realm. They are willing to and ready to step in and get to the work. What would you like to help with? What would you like help with? What task would you like to delegate through them? The Council of Light is a team of ascended masters, light beings, angels, guides devoted to rising of earth and all humanity. If you are a light worker, it is from them that you receive your personal mission, like a spirit world. United Nations, they want to thank you so much for doing this work and devoting your life to uplifting the planet. Pray to them for clarity and guidance regarding your personal mission. Put in your request and let them work to you. Hold your card and to your heart and say, Council of Light, I am ready to receive your help for fulfilling my personal dharmic mission. Thank you for guiding me with clarity every step of the way and for sending me helpers and experience that delight my mind, body and soul. Wow. And see, this card also tell you that you are light workers, and again I'm getting these cards for you. Second card, mind Mintaken, I can't pronounce it proper, I don't know what's the right pronunciation of it, but longing for home, belonging, the original light workers. You are light workers. Some of you Aquarius are light workers, and I will read it out for you for sure. So let me know what is this Mintaken. Okay, beautiful reading, Aquarius. You are getting awakened on a spiritual way, and that's beautiful. You are longing for home where you belong because you are a star seed. Some of you are light workers. Mintakans are a soul group who originated on a planet in the constellation Orion. They were the first stars being traveled to Earth and believed to be the original light workers. The Mintakan home planet is thought to be have been a water world with water so pure that you could see through it for miles. For this reason, Mintakans feel most at peace and home when in around crystal clear water. That's why my Aquarius loves water, Aquarius. Wow, beautiful. They are here to teach us to see the potential in everything and the light in all beings. Many Mintakans have an odd longing for home and struggle with feeling like they don't belong, but it is a thought that this is due to their home planet no longer being existence. If you pull out this card, it could mean that you are a Mintakan or a longing for sense of belonging, and root chakra healing is necessary for you to feel secure and safe. Perhaps you feel this longing to find home without knowing where that is. Perhaps you are moving around a lot and yearn for a place on earth to call your own. If so, you are being called to connect with Mother Earth and create it for yourself now. To choose where you feel the most at home and create it rather than waiting for belonging to come. Hold the card at your heart and say, I allow myself to be truly here and at home on this planet. I release any grief around not belonging or feeling held and call in the perfect home. Wow. Beautiful, Aquarius. So yes, where are you being called to journey to? This was a message. Next message for you, great gathering, transformation, and the last message is Anna, grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundation, divine plan. Yes, you are going through a divine planning. It was planned by the divine, and you are on a right path, Aquarius. You are on right path. You are releasing soul patterns and contracts and past lives. Yes, see, you are releasing your soul's path, old contracts or patterns or past life connections, unbound. Very beautiful. And trust path. If you know you will be supported, what would you do? Trust your path, Aquarius. You are on a right path. See, you are in the middle of this person right now. It's dark and this is moving towards this gate which is open. You are on a right path, Aquarius. You just need to align your life. You just need to align your life. What is not aligned or needs to change has to change. You have to decide what needs to change, and that is the only thing you have to, you have to align your life. See the initiation. You're getting this, getting from this dark energy into light. See, you know that there is a light, there is a passage, there is a way to get out of, and you get your way. You got your way. Rite of passage, crossing the threshold. Wow. And last message, play. Play, my Aquarius. Have fun. Have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. Okay. So yeah, and this is beautiful, Aquarius. See the difference? You are like this and you are going to be like this. For sure. Play. You are getting out of your dark for sure. And I love these cards. Thank you so much, life cards. High Priestess. Get grounded. 2 cards more drop in your reading. I already done more messages, but yes, universe wants to deliver these 2 more messages to you. High Priestess, Aquarius, how are you being called to set up and lead? Lead on your intuitions. Get grounded. Empaths, highly sensitive, connect with nature. Some of you have to connect your nature. You already healing yourself, you already done your meditations and spiritual awakening and all. So yes, you have to connect your nature, get grounded. You are already connecting with it. Okay, you are being called to high priestess. Wow, beautiful. Share your voice, Aquarius. Share your voice and trust your Niggle. Trust your Niggle. What is the Niggle feeling trying to tell you? There is always a positive, and see, this is a dark energy. A positive and negative, you can take it, because one is opening and one is not opening. One is closing eyes and one is not closing an eyes, opening eyes. But you know, one you can see, one you can feel. Basically, one you can see, you through your logical, you can give a practical application on it by opening eyes, okay, by seeing by eyes. And one is intuitively, by closing eye, you can feel it. And trust that, Niggle. Your journey is going to get uplifted, Aquarius. Where are you going? Where are you going? I told. Where are you being called to journey to? Okay. Some have fun, Aquarius. You are crossing it. See, sun is there. The light is there. You are going to, you are right now. This is the situation. You already see this. Can you see this? This is the same color of this card. And you know the path. You know the path, how to reach this light, and you achieve it. Very good. Proud of you. Have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious, okay? Align your life, trust your path, releasing your old contracts, soul contracts, basically soul patterns or past life connections. Basically, you're cutting old ties. You don't want anything old, which was, maybe you are having old contracts, okay, old soul patterns, and now you're releasing old soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. And Anna, this is very beautiful and big card in reading, Aquarius. Anna, the grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundation, and divine plan. Yes, you are the light workers or the star seeds, Aquarius. Dance with your life. Do some dancing moves, boo. Boo, okay? You're getting transformed, okay, bro, or girl, or dude, okay, whatever you can. Okay, so great gathering. It's all coming towards you, Aquarius. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. It's coming towards you. You are longing for home, belonging, the original light workers. You will get to know very soon. See the Council of Light. This is also very beautiful, lightful. I love this card. Very beautiful messages, Aquarius, from this light your work, your light your work, light your life. And these are beautiful messages which I received for you. And these are the beautiful messages. Thank you, Light Oracle cards, for giving so much light to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see. Power of love. I'm getting some messages from Power of Love. I know you are done with that part, but that was the toxic one, Aquarius. That doesn't mean that love is bad. Okay, love is there. Love is very beautiful. See, purpose is the first message. You possess the determination and dedication to consciously demonstrate love. And that's what I was saying right now. Okay, Aquarius? That does love. I know whatever happened, it happens. But that doesn't mean that love is bad. You are here for a purpose, basically, Aquarius. Okay? You are the love. Okay? And you have a purpose on this earth to teach something very beautiful, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see what else you have. What more messages you want to get delivered to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Please help me out, guide, God, spirits, angels, every single positive energy around me. Let me know what messages do you want to deliver. Okay, expression, it was before also. So you're ready to manifest your thoughts and transform them into acts, into life of love. Okay, expression, you're ready for expressing it. You're ready, Aquarius, to manifest your thought What more messages I need to deliver? Okay, individuality, I can't pronounce it. You leave your unique stamp of love on everything you do, basically. You are an individual person. You are the unique person. That's what I was telling you, Aquarius. You are the individual, magical, beautiful persons, wonderful persons, humanitarian, okay, who loves to help people, basically, okay. You loves to help people. You are the unique identity on earth. You leave your unique stamp of love whatever you do, Aquarius. Wow. Empathy, you feel and understand the emotions of other in the service of love. Empathy, very beautiful. And last, okay, loyalty. You are a loyal one, Aquarius. Your reliability demonstrate your loving sense of devotion and consistency of being. Very beautiful message. You are having a purpose, expression. You are the unique person, individuality. Okay, empathy. Then there is a loyalty. Then there is a kindness. Every single deck is telling you the same messages. Kindness. You are a very kind person. You are a humanitarian person. You are a humanitarian made of love, and you are able to share the energies with others. This is what I am telling you again and again. Yes, you are made up of love, Aquarius. I know love hurt you in some way, but that doesn't mean that love will hurt you always. Okay, that was a toxic relationship. That was something which was written in your soul contract or pattern, okay, which you break it out, which you threw it away okay, which you don't want. And so when you don't want something, you just said, okay, I don't want it, thank you so much, enough of it, you can get off, and you do it. And when you do it, you're getting something very beautiful, Aquarius. Okay, so yes, creativity. See, you are the creative person. Use your creativity, Aquarius. You love to devise new ideas, innovations, and forms of illumination. Okay, so use your creativity, Aquarius, and trust. You have a strong connection to your soul's loving voice and have faith in your intuitions. You must be getting some intuitions. Okay, Aquarius, see, I will tell you example of myself. I was getting intuitions. I know this is what I want to do it, but I was not doing it. I was not doing it because I was having different reason. That the reason was not that I don't trust my intuitions. I trust my intuitions always. From the day one, I am trusting my intuitions. I am trusting my dreams. I trust myself. But it was like situation where I want to be, like I was giving something, I can say, because we are the giver. We are the born givers. We are here to give love, give hope, give heal persons, basically. Okay, so yes, trust is very important right now, Aquarius, and you have to create trust with yourself, basically. See what I'm getting for you. Transformation. Again, I'm getting a transformation, Aquarius. Wow. Respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. You love to respect each and every single soul around you, Aquarius, and that's very beautiful and wonderful, Aquarius, because giving respect to each individual, it's not possible in today's world. It, not everyone respects every person in their life, but you respect each every single thought in your life, and that's very important, and that's very beautiful, Aquarius, and I love it. Transformation. You can use the power to move through illusions and shift into awareness. Transformations, you know how to get these transformations. See, very colorful and vibrant. So these were the beautiful messages, Aquarius, and have gratitude. Self-love. Self-love is also indicated. Gratitude. Be happy whatever you are having right now, okay? You are fully appreciated the invaluable lessons that life loving presents you. Have gratitude. Self-love. You feel gratitude, basically. That's why. And self-love. You realize the love of self-love is necessary to love another. That's what I told you. You have to love yourself, Aquarius, first. Then only you can love anyone else. Okay? So you have a purpose. Right now you are ready to express, Aquarius. You are an individual, a unique person. Okay, so empathy, you feel others. Okay, you feel others emotions. Okay, wow. Loyalty, you are the loyal one, you are the kindness one, you are the human most. This is the only zodiac in all. This is the only sign in all, in all zodiac. Basically, Aquarius is only the sign which is very humanitarian. Okay, which is here to help you out. Basically, you can use your creativity. You are using it already. If you have not, yes, trust yourself, Aquarius. And you respect each and every single person around you, each and every single soul, and that's very beautiful and appreciable. Okay, transformation, you know how to get transformed, and you feel gratitude. Okay, Aquarius, you feel gratitude, and you have to learn this self-love. That was the lesson in this cycle, basically, Aquarius. That was the lesson for me at least, and for you also. And if you have not started yet, self-love is very important. You have to love yourself first. Okay, so yes, that was the enough messages. Forgiveness, maybe someone is going to ask forgiveness. Okay, and you are ready to give it. You are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. Whatever happened. If you can forgive, forgive it. You are ready to forgiveness. You are already forgiving it. Okay, so yes, these were the beautiful messages from the power of love, and this is beautiful messages, Aquarius. You are releasing old patterns and ideas that no longer serve your highest ideals of love or life. Okay, so yes, beautiful messages from this deck too. So I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Keep going, have patience, take proper care of yourself. Right now you are, right now you are like a baby. Okay, you have to take care of yourself like a baby. Okay, you can take care of yourself by listening music, by taking proper rest, sleep, eat, and do whatever you want to do, whatever makes you feel happy, Aquarius. Okay, and something very positive, it's coming towards you. Very beautiful beginning, it's coming towards you. Okay, Aquarius, your awakening, it's getting there. You are transforming, basically. You are getting into light from the dark. Okay, so congratulations, Aquarius, once more, and sending you lots of love and happiness and healing and blessings, so that you can heal yourself, and you will be out of this dark for sure, Aquarius. You will be more strong, because you are the strong personalities. You are here for a reason, Aquarius. So I hope it resonates with you. Please leave me in the comment section what resonates with you, or any any suggestion you want to give, anything you want to talk to me, you can leave in the comment section and let me know. And one more thing, I'm going to do one more session in which I will give you more messages from Life Love You. Okay, I will tell you a story from this fairy tale, and with this story cubes. Okay, I'm going to tell you two stories, basically, one from this and one from this. Story time. Okay, cards, I have these cards, and I'll tell you a story from myself. Okay, from Divine Born Angel, and I help you out in some manner. I tried my level best, Aquarius, to give the best messages, and I hope you are well. And see, thank you so much for watching my video, for my message. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more messages which will be help you out in some manner. Okay, and see you in my more extended fairy story part meeting. Okay, till then, take care and take proper rest. Take care of yourself first, Aquarius. Okay, see you. Bye bye.